What's up guys, Eric, Verus Engineering. We are on our 6th install on the PhD M2 in a single day. I'm kind of beat. We're gonna do side splitters. Side splitters include 2 side splitters, right and left hand, right? And then we got some bolts and some spacers, 10mm spacers, 7.5mm spacers, and 5mm spacers. I will go over where each one goes, and then as far as the bolts, they are coarse thread. They go directly into factory locations. There's no drilling, no damage to your car, and it's completely reversible. So these are awesome products for those people that don't want to make any permanent modifications to their M2. The side splitters do improve aerodynamics slightly, basically by keeping high pressure air on top of the car. You reduce lift. So basically high pressure on the top side of the car is good. Going underneath the car, that's bad because then you're pushing up. So that dramatically improves the car in yaw, which Jackie Ding usually sees on track because that's the kind of guy he is. All right guys, so as far as tools required, we're gonna need a T25 Torx for the Torx heads that we include with the kit. And then you're also gonna need a 10mm and whatever ratchet you use for basically that T25 or the 10mm. And that's basically all you need because we're going to remove the 10mm from each side of the car, and then we're going to install our Torx up into the OEM points. All right, so we are on the underside of the car at this point. You can see that we have all of them installed. So this front one, that is a 7.5mm spacer. The rest of them are 10s, except that one. Whoa. Calm down with the light issues. There we go. Except that one and that one. No. God damn it. It's that one and that one. And we'll actually probably put up a diagram. So the third from the front and the fourth from the front, those are 12.5, which is a 7.5 and a 5. And then the rest are 10s. And they go all the way back. Keep going. Also, don't forget to order some jack pucks because F these plastic ones. All the way on the rear, we have a smaller washer because of how close it is to the jack point. And that is basically the totality of the install.